This is how to refill BROTHER LC404 series ink cartridges. This method works with both Brother and compatible cartridges. By refilling your Brother ink cartridges with an inkowl refill kit, you can save up to 90% on your ink costs. In order to refill these printers, it's mandatory to own at least 2 cartridges of each color. You'll only refill one, but the second cartridge is still needed to reset the printer. Here's how to refill the BROTHER LC404 series cartridges in 3 easy steps. Step 1. You will need to drill a 1/8 inch hole in the cartridge at this location. Remove the cartridge label to reveal the plastic body. If you don't own a drill, Inkowl sells an inexpensive hand drill. Drill horizontally to create the refill hole. It's okay if a small amount of plastic debris enters the cartridge, but we will drill horizontally to keep it to a minimum. Step 2. Fill the cartridge with the appropriate color ink. Step 3. Clean and dry the cartridge surface so that the hole is ready to be sealed. Seal the hole with a piece of our waterproof tape. The tape you need is included in Inkowl's refill kit. Place the tape directly over the hole, then press down on the tape around it to ensure a hermetic seal. Test the seal by shaking the cartridge over some paper towel. When using refilled cartridges, the printer no longer tracks ink levels in the usual way. Instead, the printer will keep printing until either the cartridge is empty or until the printer reaches a page limit. In both cases, the printer stops printing, and you will need to install a second cartridge temporarily. This second cartridge can be full or empty. It doesn't matter. Once the printer sees the second cartridge, you can then reinstall your first one and continue printing. Take a moment, think green, think refilling, think Inkowl.